Welcome back to another exciting video of Guess With Me. Today's video is can you pass this computer quiz challenge? But before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Number 1. In computer storage, what is the capacity of a standard DVD in terms of data storage? 4.7 GB is the answer. Number 2 is which technology allows wireless communication between devices within a short range? Bluetooth. Number 3 is what component of a computer system interprets and executes program instructions? CPU. Number 3 is what is the primary function of a computer CPU? Execute instructions. Number 5. Which computer operating system is developed by Apple Inc.? Option A is your answer. Number 6 for you is what is the term for a small portable storage device that connects to a computer's USB port? Flash device. Number 7 for you is which computer input device is used to draw, write or interact with a computer through a touch screen? Stylus. Number 8. What type of computer memory is non-volatile and retains data even when the power is off? A is the answer. Number 9. What type of programming language is often used for web development and scripting? Option C, JavaScript. Number 10. What is the term for a software program that spreads and causes harm to a computer system? Virus. Number 11. Which computer input device is commonly used for graphic design and drawing? Graphics tablet. Number 12. In computer programming, what is the term for a named container for storage data? Variable. Number 13. Which key combination is commonly used to copy text or files on a computer? Option A is right. Number 14. What is the primary function of the ESC key on a computer keyboard? Cancel the current operation. Number 15 is in computer programming, what does GUI stand for? Graphical User Interface. Number 16 is in computer networking, what device connects multiple computers within a local network? Router. Number 17. What is the term for a device that displays visual output from a computer? Monitor. Number 18. What is the function of the heatsink in a computer system? Cooling the CPU. Number 19. Which computer storage medium uses optical technology to read and write data? Optical disc. Number 20. Hardware component that manages the connection between a computer and a network. Network card. Number 20. Which component stores the system software and firmware? Option A is right. Number 22. Which input device uses light sensors to detect movement? Optical mouse. Number 23. What type of computer memory is permanently written? Option B, ROM. Number 24. Which computer storage device uses spinning disk to read and write data? Option A is the answer. Number 25. Which component is responsible for rendering and displaying images of the screen? Option C, GPU. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Guess with me.